Hi, this video is on the Sudoers file, how you install the Sudoers file and then allow a specific user to use the Sudoers file depending on what rights you want to give them, what privileges, and in this case you want to give them super user privileges, you need to give them su access. So that is held in a file called the Sudoers file. So the first thing you want to do, if your user doesn't have super user privileges at the moment, you won't be able to run this as the user, which is the whole point. You need to run it as a elevated user. So you must log in with the root user first, or another user that's got root privileges or super user privileges. Once we've done that, we can do our apt-get install. Now, because I'm root, I don't need to put su or sudo before it at the start, because I've already got full access to do so. Okay, so apt-get install sudo. It's going to say there that I've already got it because I've already installed it. If you don't have it, it'll say it will find that package sudo and then install it. Next thing that you need to do, once it has installed, is to open the sudoers file. Now, if you try and open the sudo files, I'm going to show you trying to open it with Emacs. There we go. Buffer is read only. And the reason it's saying buffer is read only is because I'm opening it with Emacs. Now, I don't know why this is. I'm no expert on this, but I know that you can't add anything to the sudoers file with Emacs. For me, anyway, it doesn't work. I've never been able to do it. I've never bothered to spend any time trying to work out how to do it because it's so much easier and quicker if you want to get something done. In this particular scenario, use something that is a lot lighter weight, a lot faster to do what it is that you want to do. From a speed perspective, if you don't know all of the commands behind the power of something like Emacs or Vim, you want something quick and snappy, like your notepad equivalent, if you like, in Windows. It's not very powerful, but it's quick and snappy and gets what you want done. So we can use nano in this case. So I'm going to add a user called Nick, like so. And then after, just a word on this, every user will come in here in a line by line by line with the name of the user, user 1, user 2, user 3, etc, etc, etc. And everyone needs to have these lines after it to give them full access in exactly this order. Now when you install it once, you'll just have the root user there and nothing else. So just add the name of your user and then this exact line here as the one is above, and that's all you need to do. So then in this case I can do Control O. Control O allows me to write to it, Control X, come out of that. Now if I open a new window, so let's do who am I, you'll see I'm logged in as a user called Nick. Now if I do sudo say -i, so I get myself into root shell, it'll ask me for a password. I put in my password, and there you go. Now the sudo access is now working for whatever it is I want to do, and that's it. It's as easy as that. If anyone knows why you can't use Emacs and why Emacs isn't working for me and why it's saying that the buffer is in read only, it would be very interesting to know. If you could leave it in the comment and let me know. Cheers.